Greetings, Earthlings, folks on planet Earth. I am Planet Mitch, founder and chief executive officer over at planet5d.com. You probably haven't heard from me recently because I've been doing a lot of stuff with my other website, but that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about the brand new 5-day deal. Okay, now it's been going on for 2 days, 2.5 days, and it's got 2.5 days-ish left. But this is a great deal for those of you who are filmmakers, video creators, maybe you do business interviews, talking headshots, maybe you do indie films, maybe you're aspiring to be one of those folks to make a really good go at your filmmaking business. And the 5-day deal video creators bundle is something that is really awesome that you should be looking into. If you want no more information, then go to Planet5D. There's a link right there. Go to planet5d.com/F5, the number 5, DD for 5-day deal. It is an incredible bargain, and I actually have a bonus for you if you use that link to purchase. Now, I'm going to tell you a whopping $89. Why did I do that in air quotes? It should be $89. Now that may sound like a lot, but there is an incredible amount of value in here. Over $1,700 of content. And if you stick around, I'm going to give you a bonus if you sign up between now and Tuesday noon Pacific Daylight Time when this deal ends. Short time frame, so you got to think about it and go. Bonus also, by the way, 10% of all sales go to charity, and they've already raised $17,941 for charity. Let me show you a little bit about the deal. And remember to stick around for the bonus at the end if you're a buyer. This is the website for the 5daydeal.com. If you use planet5d.com/5DD, you'll get here. If you go straight to the 5-day deal website, you're not going to get our bonus. Now, I'm working with my good friend Barry Anderson, but there's a video. We're going to talk about Barry in just a second. You can watch the video. It tells you about the bundle. But what's in the bundle? Look at all these people. There's Shane Hurlbut. There's Denver Riddle. There's Parker. I don't know Parker. Parker and I need to talk. There's Jordy Vanderput. Jordy and I have done some work together in the past. Eric, and here's my good buddy Barry. We're going to talk about Barry in a minute. There's Ron Dawson. Frederick Von Johnson. Van. He goes by Van Johnson. I don't know some of these people. Film Right, of course you know them. Hurlbut Academy, that's Shane Hurlbut. Inside the Edit, there's all kinds of stuff going on. Film Stoppers, fstoppers.com. Let me scroll down or scroll up, depending upon which way you like to talk about it. They have raised over $1.5 million for charities in the past. So the 5-day deal is not a flash in the pan. These guys do some great stuff. You may be used to them, hearing about them from their photography bundle, which is a smashing success. But this is the third, I think, year for doing the video creators bundle. So this is aimed at people that are doing filmmaking, business kinds of videos, talking heads, indie films, full production films. All you people are very interested in this. You get instant access to everything. So as I showed above, there is $175 in credits for the Shane Hurlbut Academy. Think about that. For $89, you get $175 in credit in Shane's store. You get Parker's $129 value Final Cut Pro 10 editing workflow. You get Denver Riddle. I've looked at this. This is freaking awesome. Denver Riddle Cinema Grade Pro for Mac. And no, it's not available for Windows, in case you're wondering. $149 value in this package for $89. And 10% of that goes to charity. Not to mention, if I scroll down, these extra bonus features, 5 action elements from Jordy. Jordy's a wonderful guy. Jordy has kicked ass in his business Pardon my French. Jordy is providing great value. If you haven't checked him out, he's over on YouTube providing some insane stuff. But here's Barry, Practical Filmmaking with Barry Anderson. He is a good friend of mine. He and I have known each other for maybe 10 years now. First pinged me over at NAB. That's a whole funny story. But Barry's Practical Filmmaking. I'm going to show you a little bit about that because he and I partnered together to put this together. And I'm going to show you inside of Barry's Practical Filmmaking, we have over a membership site. And right now, that's about the only thing that's in there. But we are going to be building out an insane, easy for me to say, insane value coming up in the month of July. Barry's course is all about practical filmmaking, starting from capturing audio, cinema lenses, lighting, live lighting if you're going to do an interview, post-production, framing your shot, running the business. The business section of this is worth $249 value that Barry charges for this. I have helped him teach this class in the past. Barry is an incredible filmmaker who is doing some really nice production work. He's in Minnesota, so he works for the Timberwolves. He does short films. He and I produced a short back in 2012-ish. Barry is doing the work. Barry's the kind of guy that works day in and day out in the industry, and his tips on lighting, people eat that stuff up like gold. The business side of it, the stuff you really struggle with doing, Barry really crushes that kind of stuff. You'll notice that these videos are long. They're not just little 5-minute blurbs, but you get $249 value. He charges $249 for this class. You can get it for $89 plus all of the other stuff. I don't know why you're not picking this thing up. Go to planet5d.com/5DD. 5-day deal is what that stands for. Pick this up. And as a bonus, I mentioned, notice over here, there's beginning July 1st for $19 a month. We are going to be doing Q&As, scene breakdowns, script and talent advice for your project. Those Q&As are going to be worth the money in itself, but $19 is going to be the founder's starting level. And you can lock in that price now, the lowest price it will ever be. But wait, there's more. If you go to planet5d.com/5DD, that's 5-day deal to you and me. Come on, switch back. Trying to switch my video. I hope it works. There it is. If you go to planet5d.com/5DD and sign up, buy the Video Creators Bundle from the 5-day deal, Barry and I are going to throw in a bonus of 6 months of free access to that membership site. So it's not going to cost you a dime extra. At $19 a month for 6 months, that's $114 extra bonus value if you buy the 5-day deal today through my link. If you use somebody else's link, you use somebody else who's promoting the 5-day deal. If you use the 5-day deal's link, sorry, that bonus is not available to you. You must use our link. That is planet5d.com/5DD. There's an incredible amount of value in this package. You can learn at your own pace. Those things are available to you to download. If you sign up, obviously, for Barry's Practical Filmmaking, you will have access to that website to watch Barry's course. But if you want the bonus, you got to buy through planet5d.com/5DD. Have I said it enough? Go there, sign up now, spend a whopping $89, get all of those assets that you see on the 5-day deal site. Now, they will try to upsell you by giving you a charity bonus. And I urge you to do that because that money is going to charity. So you get some additional things if you spend a little bit more money. You don't have to buy those bonuses. You don't have to contribute that. But if you buy through planet5d.com/5DD, between now and Tuesday at noon Pacific Daylight Time, you will get our bonus of an extra 6 months of Barry and I working together on that membership. Planet 5D and Barry working together. How can you pass this up? This is an awesome deal. $89 is incredibly cheap. Again, if you look at all the list of things, you get $149 value product from Denver Riddle and Color Grading Central. That thing is killer. You get some plugins from Jordy. You get some bonus credits from Shane. $175 in value in Shane Hurlbut's store. There are all kinds of Ron Dawson's in there. The bonuses are just crazy. 5-day deal is the Video Creators Bundle is a great deal. Please pick that up. It benefits charity. It benefits you. You're going to expand your knowledge. You're going to become a better filmmaker. planet5d.com/5dd. That stands for 5DD. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them. If you have any curious things about what you want to know about the 5-day deal, Video Creators Bundle, let me know. I will be glad to answer them. Again, I am Planet Mitch from planet5d.com. Been around since 2009. Actually, 2008. November. Let me know if you have any questions. Pop them in here on Facebook. Be happy to answer them. We'll talk to you again tomorrow, where we're going to tell you more about some of the special deals in here. That's the 5-day deal. planet5d.com/5dd. We hope to see you inside Barry's membership.